Okay, guys, so we got Norimasa, is that right?
Yes. Yes, Norimasa.
Norimasa's coming to the workshop. He came over the other day to buy some product and asking some questions on how to do a few things. And at the end of the day, guys, I thought it would just be easier just to get his piece in here and give him a hand with it. So first up, we're going to be using Resinzwood new Multi-Sealer. Now, the Multi-Sealer, guys, is perfect for all porous surfaces, wood, stone, concrete, brick, you name it. This baby, she'll do it all. But today's application, what we're going to do is we're going to do the top and the bottom of this beautiful macro carpet slab. Of each, part A and part B.
Yep.
And yeah, I always like to put part B in place.
Yeah.
Come up It's quite smelly because it's solvent based. The object of this is just to seal the timber. It's not for filling the big holes. So if stuff runs in, it runs in, but at the end of the day, this is really for sealing. So we just pour this out. And then you just use your hands and spread it all over. A lot more product than this. So Nori's just about to, yeah, crack away, brother. Seal the top. Spread it all out. And you want to give that a real good spread out now, okay? So the idea here, guys, it's not going for like, you know, really deep. Just massage it in there, mate. It's all good. You just want a nice thin coat over all your work. So this is going to be the top side, and we are kind of concerned about this top. I am pretty concerned about it because it's so bent, but we'll see if we can straighten it up a bit and try to get it to bend back the other way. Let's give this side a real good coat, you know, so it really soaks in over the next 12 to 24 hours. So doing a great job there, brother. You're thinking about doing this, guys, Resinzwood Multi-Sealer. It's the best way to go. All your products, do your concrete. I do all my gemstones, everything with this. So when I pull my gem tables and stuff, it doesn't expel too much air. Other thing is, like, you know, you can go and buy polished gemstones and put them into a table. No point. Just come through to our site, tell us what you want, buy some raw stones, and as soon as the epoxy gets onto the raw stones, they come up absolutely stunning. Anyway, we're just going to leave Nori there doing that. Fantastic job, brother. Just keep spreading it out. You don't have to rush. It's not a race. Just make sure your ends are really well covered, and just drag more from the center in the middle there up to the side that you're on, because I can tell that side's looking a little bit dry, yeah? So while you're doing that, I'm going to go and make you a nice cup of coffee, and there's some dinner inside if you need something. So guys, if you're wanting to do your own stuff in my shop, you're more than welcome to come along. You just chip in a bit for power and that sort of thing, pay for your product, and happy days.